Guys, welcome back. In today's video I want to show you diabetic prediction model and API. What this application actually do, it's predict whether person is diabetic based on health metrics using a random forest classifier server by FastAPI, Dockerize and deployment using Kubernetes. This project actually built by Abhishek. I just try to deploy the project using in local server and also using Docker, and we will use Docker deployment. First, let's show you the manual one. Actually, this is already I done. So I will just active the source. Now I run the install the requirement. Well done. Make train. Training done. Let's run test. I write some test code. You can see it. Okay. And now we can run the project. Project is running. We can load from here. We can check here the prediction one. Execute. Let's now run with the Docker. Just need to build the image. And then we have to run the Docker run. Done. Let me run. It's running with Docker. Very easy. Open and see same as the previous one. Let's just, you can see metrics. You can see metrics from here, and some other routes as per you want. Let's close it and let's try to run with the Kubernetes. You can see Kubernetes configuration, the model path, FastAPI version, signed deployment, rolling updates, 2 replicas. This is the Docker image. This is actually from my GitHub registry. I deploy and I build the let me show you my GitHub repository. Diabetic prediction model, and you can see the image there when I choose the code for the GitHub. It build the Docker project. It put to the registry. Let's check it on the registry. You can see it's downloaded. I mean it's built here. We can you copy and just become our server. Now let's run with the Kubernetes. You can follow this one. Really first, let me remove the current deployment. Just copy this one. We'll delete the old one. Now you can type make created deployment. Start deployment. Now let's check the log. Now it's running. You can check the ports. Port -1 MLOps. You can see 2 ports are running. Now we have to make port forwarding. We can do it with this command API access. Port forwarding. Port forwarding done. You can check tension level. Here we need to add 1.8. It's working with the Kubernetes deployment. We already installed the Docker, and we just try the prediction like filling 4 1 40 string diabetic false scalability very less. That's the deployment with the Kubernetes. You can also use SSL. We can also deploy this in Kubernetes, EKS, AKS, and GKE. If you need any help, if you are building any model and you want to deploy, just ask me to deploy the project in on any cloud provider using Kubernetes, Docker, or manually. I can definitely help you. Just knock me, so we can complete the project. Thank you for watching this video.